Present situation of this outbreak, we are getting around 3 to 4 cases every day. But then cases, most of the cases are mild. They are getting at OPD level treatment. Saturday we had two, severe dehydrated patients admitted to South Goa District Hospital. But then one of them is discharged yesterday. Is fine, and today one is getting discharged. Finally, we have one admission in South Goa District Hospital, and 6 are admitted in GMC. All other activities are in place. Our awareness campaigns are in place. It's more about sanitation and proper hygiene. It should continue till the time we get 0 cases from this area.
As far as toilets are concerned, I think toilets have already been placed. The bath cubicles are also being placed. The bath cubicles have been placed, but there was an issue regarding release of water. So the party has agreed to bury syntax tanks. And syntax is, I'm trying to explain the type of tanks. It may not be syntax brand, but those type of tanks will be buried in the ground, which will collect the water in the course of the day or in the course of the days, depending on the quantity of water. They will empty those tanks and dispose of the water at suitable facilities. As far as cholera is concerned, officials of the health department were here, and I'm happy to say that as of today, they say that in South Goa District Hospital there is only one patient that is there. The others have all been discharged. As far as GMC is concerned, I think there are 6 patients. So the figure has come down drastically, which in turn means that whatever measures the government has taken are having effect or have an effect.